Climb tall structures to gain a bird's eye view of your surroundings. Tall buildings can be used to orient yourself when moving through a city.
You better not cause any trouble. Stop him! Infidel! You will not get away from me! There! After him! How could I have lost him? Yeah! Yeah! Get yeah!
Az önce birini öldürdü. Kime boyun eğmek istiyorsun? O kadar kolay vazgeçmeyeceğim. Emindim.
Yeah! Yeah! Don't let him
Your
get
life
away!
ends now.
Yeah!
When you're out of knives, refill your stock by returning to Messiah or by pickpocketing thugs.
You follow a false god.
Stop this, please! You're hurting me!
تمام.
Death to the infidels! Die! You will not get away from me! You cannot live forever! This won't be too
Thank you, my boy. I only wish my sons were half as brave as you. I'll see to it that they hear this tale and know what it is to be a true hero.
These are dark days indeed.
Could I interest you in this, maybe? No? Well, there's more. Much more. Come, people. Come see what I've to offer. You won't believe your eyes. See what I've to offer. Finest wares in all the land. You won't find better prices anywhere.
Help! I need help! Please, anyone! Help! I need help! Please, anyone!
أغربا وزير.
Infidels!
Look out!
I have exactly what you need.
Fires of war consume the land, and thousands of lives are lost in its defense. It seems a tragedy, but I say this is an honor to die and serve to God, fighting for what we believe in. There is no greater glory than this.
Altair, it is good to see you, and in one piece.
You as well, friend. I am sorry for your troubles. Think nothing of it.
A few of your brothers were here earlier, in fact. Oof, if you'd heard the things they said, I'm certain you'd have slain them where they stood.
It's quite all right.
Yes, you've never been one for the creed, have you?
Is that all?
I'm sorry. Sometimes I forget myself. What business brings you to the Mass?
A man named Tamir. Al-Mualim takes issue with the work he does. I meant to end it. Now tell me where to find him.
Surely you remember how to track an enemy.
Of course. Learn where he will be and when. But that sort of work is best left for... I understand.
Go and search the city, determine what he's planning and where he works. Preparation makes the victor.
What can you tell me of him?
Tamir makes his living as a black market merchant, so the Souk district should be your destination. I would suggest you seek out the following places. A small souk northeast of here, the madrasa to our east, and in the gardens north of this bureau. Focus on these places and he should become well known to you.
I assume you want me to return to you when this is done.
Yes, come back to me. I'll give you Al-Mualim's marker and you'll give us Tamir's life.
As you wish.
Remember, Altair, if you find yourself in trouble and the city turned against you, return to the bureau. I can shelter you from the storm. Be warned though, if your enemies are too close, my door will remain closed until you've lost them. Do you understand?
Yes. To bring the enemy inside would compromise the Brotherhood.
Very well. Off you go.
You dare steal in my presence? That will cost you your life! Thief! You are filth!
Why are you doing this? I don't know who you are.
You dare steal in my presence? That will cost you...
Good day, my friend. If there's anything I can help you with, anything at all, do not...
Oh my.
Die, thief!
What is that man doing?
You won't be disappointed.
Has he lost his mind?
Is there a reason for him to do that?
You'll find everything here, my friend. There's nothing I do not have.
Die, thief!
What's wrong with him?
I'll have your hand for that! for that!
Why are you doing this to me? I've done nothing wrong. Please, someone do something.
Die, thief!
Please, help me.
Thief! You are filth!
Let me go.
Tamahal.
You're a dead man! Die here!
That man is a murderer.
Anything I can help you with. Anything at all. What do you want? Anything I can help you with. Anything at all. Come, have a look. You won't be disappointed.
I have exactly what you need.
Come, have a look. You won't be disappointed.
Should I interest you in some of my wares? My good people.
Something caught your eye?
I've anything anyone could possibly need.
Come, have a look. You won't be disappointed.
I have everything you'll ever need.
Oh, you want something? Come, have a look. You won't be disappointed. Go away.
Ah, you come to the right place. There's no better merchant than I.
Something caught your eye? Hey, my friend. If there's anything I can help you with, anything at all, do not...
The Christian king and his army of infidels. They go against the will of God and must be made to pay. Everywhere they ride, they leave only suffering in their wake.
Find battle prices
They
anywhere.
say it is a crusade. A crusade for what? Ignorance? Violence?
What do you want?
God save him. He's gone mad.
Something caught your eye? Good day, my friend. If there's anything I can help you with, anything at all, do not...
Come, people. Come see what I've to offer. You won't believe your eyes.
Why would anyone do that?
You won't find battle prices anywhere.
What is he doing?
Rats or children, either way, it's bad for business. All that noise!
Someone needs to get up on those beams and clear them out.
I wonder how they're getting up there.
Must be through the central courtyard.
Then we should ask the guard to have a look.
Ah, they're all much too busy polishing the backside of their master.
You will die here!
Infidel! You cannot live forever!
Get away from me! What are you doing?
Down, infidel!
You can't escape! Die, infidel!
I'll get you!
Get out of my way! You won't get away from me!
You will never win.
Pay for your...
You will not get away from me! Out of the way! Infidel, die! Get him! Get him! Out of the way! Find out where he went! You like? Not find better items anywhere else. They're getting better and better at slipping away.
Tired of never finding anything useful at the other merchant stalls? That won't happen here. You want it, I've got it. You look like you need something.
For today
You'll
only,
find it here.
I've decided to reduce prices on everything. Come, come. Welcome. I have everything you'll ever need.
You shouldn't be here. Be gone. Away with you.
Come see what I have to offer. I have exactly what you need. See what I have to offer. What you need. Come on, come
Something
on.
caught your eye?
I've much to sell. Come, people. Come see what I have to offer. Why would you do that? You won't find battle prices anywhere. Welcome. I have everything you'll ever need. You'll not find better items anywhere else. I swear it.
There is nothing I cannot interest you in this.
I've got what you need. I'm sure of it. Take a look.
That won't happen here.
Finest wares in all the land. Many things, many things. Who in here, citizen? You'll not find better items anywhere else. I swear it. For today only.
Yes, I am to deliver the letter to your merchant friend.
And you know who to see?
The same man as always.
Do not think to betray my presence in this city. We have many eyes, many ears.
And many arms, yes. Good for silencing those who say too much. I know this well. You have my word.
Good. Then be quick about it. Time is short.
You won't find battle prices anywhere. Come on, come on. I've much to sell.
You want it, I've got it.
You are fine. Which is why you've come to me. God damn you. I've got what you need. I'd leave if I were you, before I really get angry. Aye, the right place. There's no better merchant than I. I have everything there, my friend.
Anything I can help you with? Anything at all? You want what I've got?
infidel army. They leave horrors in their wake. Alamadin rides to meet him with these barbarous acts might be avenged. Pray that God, glorious and exalted is he, finds favor with us, that he may grant us victory. The fires of war consume the land, and thousands of lives are lost in its defense. It seems a tragedy, but I say, another.
Not find better items anywhere else, I swear. Anything you like? Listen here, citizen.
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
Watch it.
Stop it, please! You're hurting me!
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
What have I done wrong? Tell me, please!
You dare steal my presents? That will cost you your life! You dare steal my presents? That will cost you your life!
What have I done wrong? Tell me, please!
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
Altair, welcome, welcome.
I've done what you asked. Now give me the marker.
First things first. Tell me what you know.
Tamir rules over the Souk El Salah. He makes his fortune selling arms and armor and is supported by many in this endeavor. Blacksmiths, traders, financiers. He's the largest death dealer in the land.
And have you devised a way to rid us of this blight?
A meeting is being arranged at Souk El Salah to discuss an important sale. They say it's the largest deal Tamir has ever made. He'll be distracted with his work. That's when I'll strike.
Your plan seems solid enough. I give you leave to go. Let Al-Mualim's will be done. You may rest here until you are ready.
Fast forwarding memory to a more...
Die, thief! Die, thief!
What have I done wrong? Tell me, please!
Thief! You are filth!
Please! You're hurting me!
Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that! Dirty thief! I'll have your hand for that!
I stand before you to deliver a warning. Should Richard take Jaffa, there will be no stopping him. He will march on Jerusalem.
Could I interest you in this? No?
I have exactly what you need. Could I interest you in some of my wares?
No, you don't understand. I have nothing. Please, can't you spare something? I'm poor and sick and hungry. My family is sick and dying. Could you spare a bit time? Please, have me in mind. I beg you.
If you just have a look. I've no interest in your calculations. The numbers change nothing. Your men have failed to fill the order, which means I have failed my client. We need more time. This is the excuse of a lazy or incompetent man. Which are you?
Neither.
What I see says otherwise. Now, tell me,
What do you intend to do to solve this problem of ours? These weapons are needed now.
I see no solution. The men work day and night, but your client requires so much. And the destination, it is a difficult route.
Were it that you could produce weapons with the same skill as you produce excuses.
I have done all I can.
It is not enough.
Then perhaps you ask too much.
Too much? I gave you everything. Without me, you would still be charming serpents for coin. All I ask in return was you fill the orders I bring you, and you say I ask too much? You dare disrespect me?
Peace, Tamir. I meant no insult.
Then you should have kept your mouth shut!
No! Stop!
Stop? I'm just getting started.
No! Stop!
You came into my souk, stood before my men, and dared to insult me? Must learn your place! No. Leave the body. Let this be a lesson to the rest of you. Think twice before you tell me something cannot be done. Now get back to work. Pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Where did you learn your craft?
I like that, Master. My good people, your shift has come to an end. I've anything anyone could possibly need. Welcome. I have everything you'll ever need.
I can sell this. Melt it down and try again. And if it comes out just as poorly, it'll be you gets melted down next.
I beg of you. I beg of you, just a few coins, please. Please, sir, have any money? A few coins. All I ask is for a few coins. Food. I'm so hungry. Just a little
You
money,
begged
I
me
beg
for
of
this
you.
position. On the sales challenge me?
I will end your life.
Be at peace.
You'll pay for this. You and all your kind.
It seems you're the one pays now, my friend. You'll not profit from suffering any longer.
You think me some petty death dealer, suckling at the breast of war? A strange target, don't you think? Why me, when so many others do the same?
You believe yourself different, then?
Oh, but I am. For I serve a far nobler cause than mere profit. Just like my brothers.
Brothers?
Ah, but he thinks I act alone. I am but a piece. A man with a part to play. You'll come to know the others soon enough. They won't take kindly to what you've done.
Good. I look forward to ending their lives as well.
Such pride. It will destroy you, child.
Don't let him get away!
You can't escape! Infinite! You stand no chance against me. God is on my side. Infinite! You stand no chance against me. God is on my side. You'll not win. You'll never get away! Maybe you haven't noticed. Already lost. Don't let him escape! Already lost. God favors me. You will not win. I will end your life. God favors me. You will not win. Come back here. Stop running! You cannot escape! Stop this man! I will catch you! You're in your way! Give up! You've nowhere to... Don't get away from me! Never keep up with him! Don't let him get away! That will cost you your life. You'll never get away. I know you're hiding from me. Coward!
I have nothing.
I'll have your hand for that! Let's go!
Praise be Salah Hadid. He has found his strength. But the battle is civilization. Make no mistake. We are fighting for. The infidel king we are all fight for the world. We must resist. We must push back. See where he went. The shaitan is everywhere. Watching, waiting. He tempts us always. Be strong. They go against the will of God.
I'll get you! You get hide from me! I'll have your hand for that!
Word has reached me of your victory, Altair. You have my gratitude and my respect.
Thank you.
It is a shame that the other assassins continue to hold you in such poor regard.
Rafik, I do not care what the others think of me.
As you wish, Altair. You should bring news of your victory to Al-Mualim. I'm certain he has more work for you to do.
Fast forwarding memory to a more recent one.
Out of the machine, Mr. Miles.
What's the matter, Doc?
Miss Stillman is once again insisting I let you rest.
So, feel like telling me who put the stick up his ass?
We have a deadline. 1 week. Well, 6 days now.
Deadline?
I can't talk about it.
Man, put yourself in my shoes. I'm being held hostage by a group of scientists. At least I think you're scientists. And forced to spend all day in some crazy-ass machine. You won't tell me what you're looking for or why you want it, but I'm supposed to be thanking you for keeping me alive. This is so fucked! Let's see, I don't know. Maybe give me some answers?
I can't. And it's better this way. Safer.
Safer for who?
Both of us.
Man, I can't even change my clothes.
Let's go, Mr. Miles. Time's wasting.
Where's Lucy?
Oh, don't worry. She'll be with us soon enough.
So why are you doing all this, Doc? What are you hoping to accomplish?
You turned the television on lately? Read the newspaper?
Never cared much for that stuff.
Then, let me sum it up for you. The world's a mess. It's pathetic, really. You've seen it firsthand yourself. 1,000 years between you and your ancestor, and society remains just as barbaric, just as stupid.
And your point is?
Order, Mr. Miles. The world needs order. That is what we're working towards, and that is what you're helping us to achieve.
You expect me to believe you're building a better tomorrow?
That's exactly what we're doing. The human race calls out for direction. They want to know why they're here, what they're meant to do. Well, we're going to tell them. And once they understand how to live their lives, everything will be better.
Better how?
An end to all conflicts, large and small. Isn't that what you assassins strive for? Peace in all things?
I told you, I'm not an assassin.
Right.
I still don't see where I fit into things.
In time, Mr. Miles. In time, you'll understand. Or you won't. I don't care either way, as long as you show us where it is.
Where what is?
Sorry I'm late.
Yes, we are.
Remember to reach out for ledges should you fall while climbing.
You've done well, Altair, and I'm confident that this is but the first of many successes.
Tamir spoke as if he knew you well. He implied my work had a larger meaning.
Significance comes not from a single act, but the context within which it is performed. The consequence is born of it.
Then is there more I need to know?
Altair, your greatest failure was born of knowing too much. If I choose to withhold information, it is only to ensure you do not make the same mistake a second time.
I see.
No, you don't. And it will remain this way until you've learned your lesson. Still, you have performed competently, and as such I restore a rank and will return a piece of your equipment. Go now, either to Acre or Jerusalem. There are men in both cities who require your attention. The Bureau leaders can tell you more about what needs to be done.
What is he doing? Damn fool must be out of his mind.